looking to achieve this prom special occasion look, then keep watching. So this is my sister Kelly. I'm getting her ready for her prom. Right now we are using the NYX Shine Killer Primer, and it's pretty much a charcoal based primer, and it made her skin feel very velvety and soft. Now we're going in with this new foundation that we're trying from About Face in the Performer shade D4 Cool. When we were in Ulta, as soon as I saw that shade, I knew it was gonna match her, and it did. And it looks so nice. And putting it on her face, it was literally exquisite. Right there, I also set her face, so I set her face pretty much every single step. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Varnessa Michelle, to get more updates and details and new videos. So I did use the NYX brow pencil, and I'm using the e.l.f. pomade in the shade Espresso to fill in her brows. And here we are with the LA Girl concealer, which you guys already know is my favorite concealer, to conceal her eyebrows and also add some to her eyelids as a base for the eyeshadow look that we're going to be doing. Since, as you can see, we chose purple, so that gives you a major clue into what color her prom dress is going to be. So here we are with the Morphe palette, and I use the purple matte shade as well as a brown shade in the palette to put in her creases, and then I went in with the dark purple shimmer color in that palette as well. I'll have all the details to all the products that I used in this video in the description below, so you guys can find those items and you guys can create the same look. So here we are with the Juvia's Place Velvet Violet palette, and I'm using the very bright light purple in that shade, and it was so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I know my lighting, I'm using natural lighting, and the lighting may not be perfect, but it was amazing. So right here I am doing the concealer and the contour shades. I'm using the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, the dark shade from that, in her contour areas as well as her nose, and the LA Girl concealer
it'll be cute just like this,
as
just
the
leave it.
highlighted areas of her face.
Lashes, you see the lashes?
So of course, you know, we gotta blend all that in. As you can see, this highlight shade is very bright for her face. So later on, you guys will see that I did use the same Juvia's Warrior palette, and I used the brown shade in that palette to warm her face back up after I bake her face with this Morphe translucent powder. We gotta brush all that off, and then I went back in with a little bit more of the darker contour shade, and here we go, setting her face with the Morphe, and that's the shade I was mentioning before, to warm her face back up so she looks more lively and not pale. So as you can see, she looks so much better than looking like a blob. She looked like she got some life in her face again. So here we are with my BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm using the last two shades at the bottom. Those are my favorite. As well, went back in with the Juvia's Warrior palette for her highlighted areas, and that is the finished look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Polo is exhausted. Because, Majesty, only Polo can take this and give you...
A princess.